Hello everyone. Welcome to Digital Profit Hub. On this channel, we explore powerful AI tools, online business ideas, and digital skills that can help you work smarter and make money online. If you want to learn how to use AI and technology to boost your productivity, build online income streams, and stay ahead in the digital world, then this channel is for you. But let me ask you something. What if you could finish hours of work in just a few minutes using powerful AI websites? Sounds impossible, right? Well, the truth is, many creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs are already using AI tools to automate tasks and save hours of work every single day. And today, I will show you 5 powerful AI websites that can make your work up to 10 times faster. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last website is something most people still don't know about, but it can completely change the way you work online. Now let's get started. The first AI website is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. It can help you write articles, generate business ideas, create YouTube scripts, and even help with coding and research. For example, if you are a blogger or content creator, you can ask ChatGPT to generate blog outlines, social media captions, and even full articles. Instead of spending hours thinking about ideas, you can generate high-quality content in minutes. Many freelancers also use ChatGPT to write emails, proposals, and marketing content for clients. The second AI website is Canva. Canva is a powerful design platform that allows anyone to create professional graphics easily. You can design YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, logos, and marketing materials. Even if you have no design experience, Canva provides thousands of templates that you can customize quickly. Many freelancers earn money by creating thumbnails and social media designs for clients using Canva. The third AI website is Notion AI. Notion AI is an amazing productivity tool that helps you organize tasks, write notes, and manage projects more efficiently. For example, you can create daily plans, manage your business workflow, and even summarize long documents automatically. Entrepreneurs and remote workers use Notion AI to stay organized and manage their work more efficiently. The fourth AI website is Runway ML. Runway ML is an advanced AI tool for video creators. It allows you to edit videos, remove backgrounds, generate visual effects, and enhance video quality using artificial intelligence. Many professional video editors use Runway ML to speed up their editing process and create high-quality videos faster. The fifth and final AI website is Pictory AI. Pictory is a powerful AI video creation tool. You can simply paste a script and the tool will automatically generate a full video with visuals, subtitles, and background music. This is extremely useful for YouTube creators who want to create videos without spending hours editing. Many content creators use Pictory to produce videos quickly and consistently. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people work online. Those who learn how to use these AI tools today will have a huge advantage in the future. If you want to learn more about AI tools, online income ideas, and digital skills, make sure to subscribe to Digital Profit Hub. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends.